Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to Money Classroom. Welcome back. Let me know if you're hearing me okay in the chat so I know. Let me know. Just setting up our Instagram live stream as well. Instagram peeps, hello. Let me know. Drop in the chat or in the comments if you are hearing me okay. So I know I'm not just talking to myself over here. Let me know. Hello, guys. Hello. I see some hearing news coming in. Hearing news. All right, nice. We're back. We're back. We are season 3 of Money Classroom. For those of you who may be joining us for the first time, I am Keisha Bailey, global financial expert and author. I am here on the Profit Jumpstarter YouTube channel and the Profit Jumpstarter Instagram channel as well. We're here for Money Classroom, which is our podcast where we teach you how money works and, more importantly, how to make more of it. So, if making money is a thing, you are in the right place. You are here today to get the latest and the greatest in terms of money tips and different strategies that you can implement right now. I see Dina K is joining from Ola, but listening to the real teacher. Right. So over here in Money Classroom, they call me Keisha the teacher. That's what I'm known as, Keisha the teacher. So I am here in that capacity to teach you about money. No financial advice here, just straight talk, real life education, practical education about how you can make more money. Cheesy Gully Side is here. Cheesy is my best student. Yes, welcome, welcome, Cheesy. You returned from Mobe. Hello, hello, hello. Missed you, missed you. All right. So make sure you guys on Instagram as well. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Shana K from Kingston. Big up yourself. Welcome, guys. Just connecting up everything, making sure we are all good to go. All right. So let me just state first, disclaimer, before we jump into anything really, that we are going to be talking about it from an educational perspective. There's no investment advice or financial advice over here. That's what you're looking for. You are in the wrong place. But if you're here to talk about what's happening right now in the financial markets, where are the opportunities, and to learn about that, you're at the right place. You are here. All right, Nicola joining from Kingston as well. Pick up yourself. Hello, hello, Nicola. Hello. All right, pen drop there. So today we're going to be talking about a few things. Firstly, Elon Musk pay package, 56 billion US dollars. That's a lot of money. We're going to be talking about that and what that means for the companies that he runs. But the man is getting a lot of money, 56 billion. I'm also just back, fresh, just back from the Jamaica Diaspora Conference. That was happening from Sunday to today. So I literally left Mobe a few hours ago and drove all the way here to Kingston, where my office is, to shoot Money Classroom. So we're here and I have all the scoops, all the details about that conference. It was very good in a nutshell. So we're gonna jump right into it. Let's start with a recap of the Jamaica Diaspora Conference so you guys can see it for yourself. All right. So you see it, right? It was an amazing event. Let me tell you. So the overall theme for it was United for Jamaica's Transformation. And it was great, a great topic. And the focus was fostering peace, productivity, and youth empowerment. So it was over a period of 3 days. We had persons from all across the diaspora flying in. I met a lot of really interesting persons there. Persons from, business owners, investors, students, young people, old people, Over 1,000 people were there. I think that the last count was over 1,200 people flew into the Montego Bay Convention Centre to have that event. It was really amazing, as you see from that video. So we, as Profit Jumpstart, me and my team, we were lucky enough to be one of the exhibitors at the conference, which was great. So we had a booth there and we were showcasing my book, Get Serious About Wealth. You guys know that book. If you haven't got it, go and check it out. Get Serious About Wealth was there. A lot of persons stopped by to share how much they love the work that Profit Jumpstarter is doing. They find a lot of value in what we're doing. The fact that we are teaching people about their finances and how to get to the next level. So it was good meeting a lot of followers, a lot of people inside our money community. It was really good to meet persons. We're able to also take a lot of pictures, wonderful pictures with the celebrities, beer things. It was good. It was a good experience overall. The main takeaway for me was when our Prime Minister said yesterday in his speech, he said he wants to transform Jamaica into Wakanda. I don't know many people know about Wakanda from the movie, but Wakanda is a country filled with a lot of potential, filled with a lot of promise, but also there's a lot of opportunities that haven't come to reality as well. And just hearing him say that was really, really good. It shows me a lot about the path that our little country, our little island is on. And it was really good. A lot of the government agencies were there. I think 11 government agencies turned out. So you were able to talk with them, get updates on what each agency is doing. I was able to, get all of the different government documents, NHT refund. You could get a hookup for that there. Passport renewals, that's what's happening. Your NIS card, if you needed that printed out, or a TRN card. Just a lot was happening. You were able to speak with the different agencies for them to tell you the different initiatives they're working on. It was a really, really good conference. It's being closed off. No, I think it's still going on. It's wrapping up with that final night of celebration. I think GK Group is hosting tonight. But you guys check out the replay. Check out the ministry's page to get all of that recap. But it was a really good event. Trust me, really, really good. All right. So before we wrap up, this is us. We talked about what I saw at the conference, just come back from the Diaspora Conference. It was amazing. It was a great experience, made a lot of connections. And you'll be seeing them coming. I made the connections for you, really. I made them so I can bring them to you and give you that access. So you're going to be seeing that coming out with those announcements.